district loko kaberemaido nesda dum Apaadei nwe beta siponi kinu koto monosomore lwe gitigita kanu kada ishana kine isi shak ne peke de uriak iwaitem likamrak de ITG anyanya ito inakana adeka naka Eimidi loidare ko yaita kirano kangale koto mono district loko kaberemaido Dr. James Daniel Odongo ngesalim daibe Erailoda ewa ediopet le utasquez aitosom kanukada ITG ationes ni kamnarakeda adeka naka Eimidi.
This talking compound will go a long way in educating our children in schools on different malaria prevention and control measures, both at home and at school, and therefore it will help to reduce the incidence and prevalence of malaria among school-going children and also at home, because these same messages our children will take them back home and share it with their parents. We have targeted schools in areas with very high prevalence of malaria, schools that are bordering the lectures.
Loidar koyata Akiro Kashuman kotomno district loko kaberemaido Richard Eliebu ngesalim daibe ajaut keda Apaadei nude shomete duwe kedi sishak nepeke de uriak Akiro nuda ka ITG Eimidi neserai iborene jo.
And it will give information to the learners and to the parents as well as the community members on malaria prevention methods. Then as we prevent malaria, we shall increase on the attendance level of learners, because in most cases learners get absent from school when they fall sick of malaria. So when the attendance of learners has been increased, it is also going to improve the performance level of the learners, because learners will be able to attend schools every day and attend lessons every day and regularly.
Usori diopet kwa papelone somero loko chero primary school Samuel Odongo ngesalim daebe epola salanut kotomono somere kamejas idwe kikamna rakeda Akiro ni kamna rakeda adeka nakada Eimidi.
Generally, we have to formalize everybody, including the parents, the teachers, the children. Everybody shall interpret the messages and insist. Encourage them to read them and interpret them and apply them in everyday life.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kaberemaido District.
Provide children all they need at school. Drum up active learning in safe and secure environment. Yes!